morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make nutty strawberry salad. So these are all the ingredients. 1 quart of strawberries, and then a dash of Worcestershire sauce, and then a cup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, this one, and then 1 dash of Worcestershire sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of butter, and then the butter I already cooked with the almonds. The almonds is 1/2 cup of almonds, so I cook it already. And then 1 quart of strawberries, and then Roman lettuce. Okay, so first into like this. Okay, and then and put it here. This is Roman lettuce, guys. Okay, just chop or slice into bites. And the next, first of all, I'm going to mix this one, the apple cider vinegar, and then the vegetable oil, and then the sugar, and then add. Okay, that's it. Dissolve the sugar. Okay, wait, should I? There's a little one, so I'm gonna slice like that lang. Okay. By the way, the strawberry, I already washed it very well, guys. Okay, that one is, there's a little kanang nadunot, guys. So we're gonna throw the one that is already rotten. I bought this one in supermarket at Super Metro, guys. Mix it already. We're gonna toast the lettuce and then the strawberries. Okay, guys, look at that one, guys. And then we're gonna put the almonds because it's nutty, guys. And then and mix it. Okay, wow. Okay, guys, look at that one, guys. Ito is sauce, parang ang yang sauce ba. Okay, guys, okay. So okay, so look at that one. The nuts and it's super yummy. And then we're gonna put it here. Put it there. So look at our nutty strawberry salads. Our nutty strawberry salad. So I add the almonds and then walnuts. Instead of almonds only, I put walnuts also. Okay, so it's tasting time, guys. So I'm gonna taste this one. It's yummy. I like it, guys. And then let's get a strawberry. So that's our nutty strawberry salad. It's super yummy. Okay guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Look at that one. It's super yummy. It's super yummy guys.